Welcome to TechtopiaX.
Today we are reviewing the Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone, one of the most advanced drones for aerial photography and videography for adults. This drone comes with a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smart GPS features, and an incredible 75 minutes of flight time. If you want to check it out, the product link in the description below. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is FAA certified and comes with Remote ID compliance, which allows you to fly confidently in most areas without registration hassles. The certification ensures the drone meets strict safety and operational standards, giving you peace of mind while exploring the skies. This is especially useful for beginners or hobbyists who want an easy and safe flying experience. One of the standout features is the 4K UHD camera, which is mounted on a one-click detachable 3-axis gimbal. This allows for ultra-stable footage even when flying in challenging conditions. The camera includes a 120-degree field of view and a large CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed images. The 3-axis gimbal combined with 5x digital zoom ensures smooth video recording and professional quality photography. You can capture stunning landscapes, cityscapes, or even night scenes with remarkable clarity. The flight time on this drone is equally impressive. It comes with three 2,600 mAh intelligent batteries, giving a combined total of 75 minutes per flight session. The batteries are easily rechargeable using a fast charger and can be fully charged in approximately 1.5 hours. This extended flight time allows you to capture more footage without constantly worrying about battery life. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is designed for high altitude and windy conditions. It can reach altitudes up to 2,000 meters and has 6 levels of wind resistance. The built-in 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, and barometer ensure stable and precise flight, even in challenging weather. The drone can operate smoothly on peaks or in areas with strong winds, maintaining steady video and photography capabilities. Navigation and safety are enhanced with GPS technology. The drone can automatically return to its takeoff point when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or when you press the one-key return function. In addition, it has smart GPS features including Follow Me, waypoint navigation, and orbit fly around a point. This makes it easy to capture creative shots without constantly adjusting the drone manually. The Bwine app adds another layer of functionality. You can control the drone using your smartphone, view live FPV footage, and even share videos instantly on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and more. The app also allows you to edit videos directly, add filters, background music, and retouch your photos for professional quality results. The drone itself is well built with a dark gray durable frame and lightweight construction. It weighs only 550 grams, making it portable and easy to carry. The package includes 3 batteries, a transmitter, USB cables, a carrying case, propeller blades, screws, and tools, ensuring you have everything needed to get started immediately. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore aerial photography or an experienced drone enthusiast, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro provides an unmatched flying experience. Its combination of long flight time, 4K camera quality, GPS features, and advanced gimbal stabilization makes it an excellent investment for anyone interested in capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With its intelligent features, stable design, and professional camera, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro stands out in the market. From casual photography to advanced videography, it delivers the tools and performance needed to achieve stunning results from the sky. Product link is in the description.